They had a few unwanted trespassers, visitors yesterday, I think they said. So late last night I had an email, can you call around today, you know, so we can identify where they're getting in.
I've done a right number on it.
Good morning everybody, lovely day today. Apparently this week we're going to be heat wave or something. Nice, about time isn't it? But yeah, Monday morning here, we're just loading up. We're literally just doing a job which is just a couple of miles from our yard, so I don't know if you can see there, but we're just putting the big gates in. So we'll just go and get the actual gate posts in today. Do some solid concrete, take some old knackered ones down, get them set up, and then tomorrow they'll shove the gate leaves on and do the drop bolts and whatnot and pail it up. So yeah, nice, easy, steady day really should be. And then tomorrow, like I said, I'll have to finish that in the morning, then going to Eldwick School for a couple of days. I think there's 100 and odd metres of B-mesh there, and then we're on with that back in Beckfoot Thornton School. All that there is about 600 metres, so plenty to go at, and we'll take you on for the ride.
So, yeah, it's nice when it all comes together.
I love it when a plan comes together.
So obviously, you know, that side there, to be honest, it's not as bad as what you think, because when you think all pails are going to be there, it's not like that much. It's not as bad as what we initially thought. Then obviously we're going to rip this out, get that in. I'm going to, when we do these gates now, so we're ready, I'm going to rip this out, and then I'm going to go do what I need to do, come back. But yeah, we're done here. Guy's happy, he's just come out, he's just going to sign the job off now. Very happy, it's sloping downhill and then goes down, looking very nice. That were an extra bit what we just added on, and on to the next job.
Good morning. Let's see if second time round this works. I've just recorded a clip, it didn't seem to record. So yeah, as I was just saying, I haven't recorded much sort of yesterday and today, because I've just been behind the scenes doing all the boring stuff that makes the company take admin, quotes, you know, invoicing, that type of stuff. Not the glitz and glamour of actually installing the fencing like the lads have, but hopefully they've been getting some good clips of what they're doing. I'm just setting off now to another glorious day, by the way. It's absolutely fantastic. Indian summer, we like them. I'm just on my way to Batley, not a million miles from where we've just done a job last week actually. Installing some gates. Apparently they want a bit of fencing and a video intercom gate, I believe. So yeah, I'm just going to make my way over there, and then I'm going to meet a lad at the yard who generally buys my vehicles off me. You know, he's a trader, but he does offer a fair price. Obviously he's got to make money on him, but he's not messing about. He just comes up, pays you, job done, takes it away on his truck, you know. So I'm meeting him at 12. We've more or less decided on the figure. Obviously he just needs to see it, so he might take that today. So I'll have to shoot back for that, and then a couple more quotes to do and some more quoting. So I'll see if I can get my video camera out when I get where I'm going, but obviously as you can appreciate, sometimes it's a bit awkward with the kids being out. Hi there, yeah, as suspected, it was hard for me to get my camera out, all the kids were out. I think it's first day back for them today, but I've actually been here before, I didn't realise. Actually quoted for this being done down here, but I think we've got it done by somebody else. But I won't pull the work, but it's not the greatest. He even said so himself. But hey, you pay for what you get in life. Basically these gates here, they want them automating and then video sort of intercom. But the problem is the receptions, it's like back to front this school, this is the back of it. They've only got like a pedestrian entrance at the front when everybody comes in. So the reception's right round the other side of the school. So it's going to be a challenge actually getting us wires to where we need them and stuff here. So I'm going to have to get Matt to come and have a look at this one with me, because it's a bit beyond my scope with the wiring sort of side of things. There'll be a load of trenching, but there's also 2 or 3 decent fencing jobs he wants quoting at the same time. They've got a field to my left here. There's about 50 odd metres, and then probably the same at this side. There's a couple of panels around back what I'm doing. So yeah, decent job really. So I'm gonna have to rush back, so I'm meeting the guy with the van. I said 12 o'clock and it's 11:30 now, so I'm gonna have to rush back, meet him. There you go. Gone. Chipped me down a little bit as I expected as a dealer, but no messing about. He's bought it and he's gone. So yeah, all good in the hood.
So we're just at Eldrick School, just getting set up for day. 100 metres of E-mesh to put in, and all this wood to take down. So all this is going to be coming all the way down. All kids are in at the minute, so we're alright on video. So yeah, all this is coming down. It's going to be going all the way around. Pretty much just going to be keeping the same line. It's going to be going all the way down. You know, sometimes you walk a job out, you just think, hey, it's more than 100 metres. And it's going to be going all the way down. Yeah, there will be, mate, because it's all been cleared, hasn't it? So they've all been disturbed. And all the way back here. And then basically just tying into the existing there on the corner. So we'll get this done, get it all ripped out and get cracked on. So we're just going to get off now. Lads have already got 2 panels in. This section they've asked to stay in with them being there. And it goes all the way down. We took it all the way down to the corner. Got a van load on, obviously we're going to carry on. Just need to get back because it looks like the little van's going to be going. So just going to get back there with keys. And lads just cracked on. Left them a couple of hours ago and it's flown in, that's for sure. All the way down. So all this has been all cut back for us for getting here. It's going all the way down and all the way around the corner.
Good morning everybody, just down at Bolton Road, Wapping Road down in Bradford. About 1 million miles from our yard actually. I'm just looking to fence this off behind me. I'll show you when I go around, but just interestingly enough, that old Wapping School over there, we did that a few years ago. So it's coming all along there, like joining up with that fence there. I'll actually take you around here. And it's following this grass. This is council, this is theirs. Basically it'll come down here. I'll have to put this in half or sort of a third. It's going to come down here, and then again we'll have to put these in half panels or third panels. What we'll have to do, it's quite an awkward entrance really, is come along here. We'll have to put double gates in there so they open out, and their land actually goes down here, but you're not going to be able to put gates there because they'll never get in. So at least they can swing in here, open the gates, then we'll close it off to that building. Probably put a little fence up here, and then I think the gates want to be here, although I can see a drain there which could be a problem, but I think we'll get a gate post in there and there. Again, these might just have to open out and close it off, but look, got all the rubbish in there that's been dumped. It's an absolute nightmare, just getting dumped on all the time. But I actually quoted this. I've been down and looked at this job about 5 years ago. Obviously never got it done, so if I got it done 5 years ago, they won't be having this problem now, would they? But hey. Good morning. Busy morning this morning. Justin's gone to do his site supervisor's course for a couple of days, so been loading lads up. They're starting at Thornton, big job there, just shy of 600 metres and some gates. So hopefully they'll get some footage of that. I'm going a bit of an emergency call to my wife's school actually again, Carlton Bolling. They've had a few unwanted trespassers, visitors yesterday I think they said, so late last night I had an email, can you call around today? So I'm going to have a walk around with the premises team there and see what can be done, if you know, see if we can identify where they're getting in.
Done a right number on it. Luckily enough it looks like it's all there. Obviously they all need grinding off at bottom. They've obviously been at it some time, mate. All this was all tight and snapped off as well. Here's Carlton Bolling. If you look at previous videos you'll see what they did to it. All sorted again, all snapped off. It was 3 new pails and the whole set of the top bolts what I've replaced. All snapped off, all looking good. Just got one more up at top, what there'll be a new pail as well, and a new set of bolts.
Morning guys, got Baggy Model in his extra large Ivies. Look. Let's turn that radio off, Baggy. Thursday it is, we're over in Bradford at Beckfoot Thornton School. We're back here starting a massive job. We're loaded up, as you can see. It's a little operation there. So, what are we doing? We're doing some 2.4 V-mesh, starting down this hill here. Put a couple of halves in. And we're going round full perimeter. It's a lovely job, to be fair. Dream job. So, as you can see, it's colossal. We're going all the way around that perimeter there, curling it all the way around. There's a single gate going in here for access, and then there's like an old farm gate over there. There's a double going there. So, like I say, we're going all the way around there, finishing up at car park. If you look back through his previous videos, we've done some big double gates over there. If you're interested in that thing. Caretaker's on his way down now, John. He's here, look. So I'll get back to you shortly, but that's what we're doing. We'll be here for a couple of weeks, I should imagine. So it's lovely weather for it. So we're hoping to have a good couple of days on it, get somewhere over here. And then next week we'll be around there. Good afternoon, it's his second day over at Thornton School. We've had a good couple of days over here. It's been really warm. It's been like 28-30 degrees in West Yorkshire, so we've been up against it, but we've battled through. So we've, obviously you can see we've put quite a bit in. We've put 120 metre in and a single gate up there. Posts are in, it's just to hang that next week. So yeah, we're cracking on. Just another 450 metre to go. So we're going to have a nice break over at weekend. We've had a bit of a busy week. I think we put 100 metre in up at a school in Eldwick, and then we did a big 7 metre double gate, all in this weather. So yeah, we've all had a good week at Airedale. So fresh legs Monday, we'll be back with you. Digging some more holes. So have a good weekend, and we'll see you soon.
Good morning guys, sorry I've literally haven't had time to do anything. It's not even morning, that's how busy I've been this afternoon. Friday afternoon, I just haven't had time to do anything this morning. I've been flat out since I finished gym with Jamie this morning at 7 o'clock. Dropped him at yard, and I've been flat out since, seeing jobs and quoting and stuff like that, catching up. Justin's still on his course, he's doing his site supervisor's course yesterday and today, so hopefully he's done well on that and passed with flying colours. I would have thought so. And the lads are over at Thornton. I just spoke with them a bit ago. They're flying. They've literally done 120 metres and a single gate in, well, Jamie says they might be done when I more or less spoke to him. So, you know, not even 2 full days really. So they're absolutely flying. We've got the method now. So yeah, that job might be done in week and a half, something like that. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, you know, I just want to say thanks to everybody that's watched us so far. If you're new around here, why don't you subscribe, or at least give us a like, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.